So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to explain what today's video is going to be. I know I look crazy. I got my headscarf on and I just look It's only because today's demo day, okay? So this space that you see behind me, I want to revamp it into it being like my little YouTube studio kind of shebang. I want to change up my background and I just want to take you guys along the process basically. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some things that I got for my room. So the first thing is I wanted to like get some new curtains because I wanted like a different color background. I got these curtains from my discount store. It's like this pink color, this light pink color, and it was $4.99. That's cheap. So I got 2 of these, and yeah, this is just for like my new backdrop. And yeah, I got these leaves from Five Below to give it like a pink and green type of look. It comes like this in a pack. I unraveled it to see how it would look, but I don't really know if I'm feeling this leafy one, so I don't really know about that. Also from my discount store, I got these like regular leaves. So this is how it look. It's like one long green vine thing. I got these from my discount store for like $1.99 a pop. I got 3 of these to also hang down in front of my curtain just in case I didn't like the ones that I got from Five Below. I got this curtain rod thing to actually like hang up my curtain. It look cute. I have this little silver detail at the end and it looks like this. It's very long, and I also got this from my discount store. That's all the things that I got to like transform my YouTube space. So I'm gonna just take you through all of that. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end result of how my new YouTube studio is gonna look. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and let's get right into everything that I'm about to do.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, got see, boys out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm till a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, and this whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw her legs off.
I might unscrew this one over there and push it over further so it can cover more of that blue area over there. But overall, it's nice. Oh, it also makes my walls look way taller than it actually is. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna put the green vines because they don't look like it really needed, but it look nice, cute little thing. Let's see how the vines look. I low-key think this dark green will go better with it. Yes, it's giving me very much like Greek vibes. I don't know why. These is too much to untangle. Like, why are you acting like that?
Ain't greedy, we gon' cut this tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a leg and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Do y'all see my new setup? I think I'm gonna just put my my vision board on this wall right here and call it a day.
Trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, got see, boys out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm till a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. And this whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm
not good at putting nails. We're gonna see if these stay. And since my like vision board is like styrofoam on the back, I could just push it through the nail, if that makes sense. So I can make a hole like you see right here. I did that before. Make holes. So all I'm gonna do is just push it. But bam! I'm so happy, like this whole style is just coming together and I love it. So I just put up my vision board. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. And let's just take a step back. Look at all of that. Wow. Ooh, I look real professional. Don't play with the kid, okay? Don't play. But this is my new setup, guys. I'm so happy and it looks so nice the way it came out. Like, come on. Don't play. I am so satisfied with the way this backdrop came out. I just want to tell you guys, like, y'all don't have to splurge on a lot of things. Like, your backdrop or your picture backdrop can be very much simple. Go to your discount store, Dollar Tree, and get something for like $5. Because each of these curtains was $5. $5, and these was $2. And, like, I just made it like this. So you guys do not need to be spending mad money on, like, a setup unless you want to. But I'm just here to show you a little DIY YouTube setup. That's the end of this video for today. I also wanted to say, go watch my other video where I did this hairstyle. These are some sparkly knotless braids that I did. So go check out my last video if you haven't. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think of my backdrop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just so happy right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And that's all. Bye. Bye.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now.